Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. All the videos of GK Today are absolutely free and available on GK Today's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, please download GK Today's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. Now this particular series is of 60 videos and in each video we are going to discuss select 15 questions and we shall also do 500 test questions after end of this series. Now let's start with the questions on Indian polity. So the first question is, which articles deal with the parliamentary system of government at the level of states? You have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Articles 163 and 164. C. Article 74 and 75 of the Constitution of India deal with the parliamentary system of government at the center and Article 163 and 164 in the states. And in such a system, the executive is responsible to the legislature for its policies and acts. Now the next question is, which of the following country follows the model of presidential form of government? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is USA. So the presidential form of government is also known as the non-responsible or non-parliamentary, or we can also say the fixed executive system of government. It is prevalent in countries like USA, Brazil, Russia, Sri Lanka, among others. The next question is, who called the parliamentary system as cabinet system? You have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Ivor Jennings. So it was Ivor Jennings who called the parliamentary system as cabinet system because the cabinet is the nucleus of power in a parliamentary form of system. Ivor Jennings was a British lawyer and an academician. The next question is, which form of government is also known as responsible government? You have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is parliamentary government. See, the parliamentary system of government which is followed in India is also known as the responsible government, as the cabinet, which is the real executive, is accountable to the parliament and stays in office so long as it enjoys the latter's confidence. The next question is, who is the head of the government according to the Constitution of India? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is Prime Minister of India. See, according to the Constitution of India, the President is the nominal executive while the Prime Minister is the real executive. Thus, the President is the head of the state while the Prime Minister is the head of the government of India. The next question is, the principle of collective responsibility is enshrined in which article of the Constitution? Now you have the following options, different articles, and the correct answer is option A, that is Article 75. The Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the Parliament in general and to the Lok Sabha in particular according to the Article 75 of the Indian Constitution. They act as a team and swim and sing together. The next question is, who is the leader of the Parliament? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is Prime Minister. See, the Prime Minister of India plays the leadership role in the parliamentary system of government and he is the leader of the Council of Ministers, leader of the Parliament and the leader of the party in power. Now the next question is, which of the following are the features of a presidential form of government? Number 1, President is both the head of the state and the head of the government. Second, President is elected by an electoral college for a fixed tenure of 4 years. And thirdly, President and his secretaries are not responsible to the Congress for their acts. And fourthly, it does not provide a stable government. So you have to select the correct options from the quotes given below. And the correct answer is option C, that is the statements 1, 2 and 3 are correct. See, the Constitution of America provides for the presidential form of government and its features include, firstly, President is both the head of the state and the head of the government. Secondly, President is elected by an electoral college for a fixed tenure of 4 years. And thirdly, President and his secretaries are not responsible to the Congress for their acts. Now, it is the parliamentary form of government that does not provide a stable government, not presidential government. The next question is, which committee inquired into whether the parliamentary system should be continued or should be replaced by the presidential system? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Swaran Singh Committee. The Swaran Singh Committee, appointed by the Congress government in the year 1975, inquired into whether the parliamentary system should be continued or should be replaced by the presidential system. The committee stated that the parliamentary system has been doing well and there is no need to replace it by the presidential system of government. Now the next question is, which of the following statements are correct with respect to Indian and British parliamentary system of government? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is India has a republican system in place of British monarchical system. See, only statement 1 is correct. Britain has the system of legal responsibility of the minister while India has no such system. And in India, a person who is not a member of parliament can also be appointed as minister maximum for 6 months, which is not possible in Britain. Further, in Britain, the Prime Minister should be a member of the lower house of the Parliament, while in India, the Prime Minister may be a member of any of the two houses of the Parliament. The next question is, who pointed out the cabinet is a hyphen that joins the buckle that binds the executive and the legislative departments together? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Begehot. See, it was Begehot who pointed out that the cabinet is a hyphen that joins the buckle that binds the executive and legislative departments together. Begehot was a British journalist and he wrote extensively on governments and economies. Now the next question is, which of the following countries follow federal model of government? You have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Argentina. Now Argentina follows a federal model of government, and a federal government is one in which powers are divided between the national and the regional governments by the constitution, and both operate in their respective jurisdictions independently. So basically, in a federal form of government, there is more than one level of government, and in case of India, we have a federal form of government and we have a three-tier system of governance. Firstly at the central level, then secondly at the state level, and we also have a third tier, that is the local government, which includes Panchayati Raj and the municipalities. Now the next question is, which of the following is the first and the oldest federation in the world? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is USA. The United States of America is the first and the oldest federation in the world, and it was formed in the year 1787 after the occurrence of the American Revolution. And it originally comprised of 13 states. Now there are 50 states and is taken as the model of federation. The next question is, who characterizes the Indian system as extremely federal? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is Paul Appleby. It was Paul Appleby who has characterized the Indian system as extremely federal. He was an important theorist from public administration in democracies from United States of America. And further, Morris Jones has termed Indian system as a bargaining federalism. The next question is, in which case the Supreme Court characterized federalism as its basic feature of the Constitution of India? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is Boumai case. So in the S.R. Boumai case of the year 1994, the Supreme Court of India laid down that the Indian Constitution is federal and characterized federalism as its basic feature, and it recognized that the states have an independent constitutional existence. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video, and we hope that you like our new initiative. So please do provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.